Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Jan and I are on a little holiday again, a little break. So we're gonna stay here for 3 nights and we're in the south of the Netherlands in Noord-Brabant, which is the province I was born in. So he's from Amsterdam, I'm from over here. It's a cute little village and maybe we're gonna take a walk when we unpacked everything. So you saw a windmill, didn't you?
Yes. Very beautiful windmill.
There's also something over here with a bell tower and well, I'll just show you later on. I'm just gonna show you around. This is an old city hall, I think you call it. It's from 1835 and now it's a hotel. So let me show you around, if that's okay. Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
It's okay, okay. So this is what we see when we look out of the window, and then there's a bell tower. Haven't heard it yet, but okay guys, so this is gonna be our home for the next couple of days. It's awesome. It looks so amazing. You've got this wonderful table over here where we can sit and play some games, and this is also very nice. They put this over here and it says: Beste gasten de Graaf, we wensen jullie een fijn verblijf. Team ons oude raadhuis. So, dear guest, the Graaf with 1 F, but oh well. We wish you a happy stay. Is that how you say that? It's really awesome. It's so sweet. So with our name on it. So it's a bit dark to show you, but I'm gonna film the outside so you can see it for real. So we have a table over here. There's a cute little seat over here, seating area, where we can just sit and read a book. And it just looks amazing. A huge TV that we're probably not going to use. And look at this, guys. So this is the bed, and I love the lamps over there. I also love the wall. The way this looks, it's industrial look, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I also love the pillows. It just looks so nice. And we even have a kitchen. Can you believe it? A kitchen. But of course we're not going to cook ourselves. There's breakfast included, so we're going to have breakfast in the breakfast room, which I hope I can show you. And you can cook your own dinner over here, but I think we're going to eat out. And over here, all our stuff is still over here, is a door that leads outside to our car. That's awesome. So, but there's more to see. Look at it. So this is our closet. Okay. And then over here, you have the bathroom. And that looks amazing, guys. Look at this. Hello. Okay. It's a bit dark. You know me, I love pastels, but it looks amazing. Look at the ceiling. What? That looks awesome. So when you're taking a shower, over here, look at it. This looks awesome. I really love these lights. So anyway, you've got the toilet over here, and you can wash yourself over here. Towels and everything. And me again, hello. And then some of this stuff, which is always nice. And even a hairdryer with, look at it. Isn't it awesome? Okay. So I haven't heard the bell yet. Oh, yeah, that's funny. Let me show you this. Look, it's so awesome. The bell tower that you just saw, I haven't heard it yet, but it makes a lot of noise every hour, day and night. So they have earplugs for if you can't sleep, if there's too much noise. So yeah, that's a good sign. But I'll probably sleep. I can sleep through anything, so for me it won't be a problem, she said. And then she couldn't sleep for 3 nights. I'm not sure if Jan can sleep with a bell ringing every hour, every day and night. We'll find out. But it's really nice that they put earplugs, and also do you need them? Now guys, it is Halloween. And this has been, in Second World War, this has been a field hospital. And there were 2 sisters who treated the wounded soldiers over here in this basement. And, well, it's not really a basement. And I think there were even people that were hiding from the Nazis over here. So that's a bit, it's awesome that they did that and that it was used for that. But it's also a bit creepy, and it is Halloween. so I hope I can sleep tonight. But oh well. So I just wanted to say something and then it's, oh, there he goes. Do you hear that? 24/7. It's okay. So, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so much fun. Okay, what I wanted to say is that this has been a town hall since 1835, and only 20 years ago they stopped using it as a town hall. They got another town hall, and then it's been empty for 20 years. And only last year this opened as a hotel. They have, I think, 6 or 8 rooms, and it's amazing. It's just amazing. So it's all new. It all looks very new, but because it's only 1 year old. And the breakfast is served in the old town hall, in the, I have no idea what you call that in English, room. I'll look it up. I'm not sure if I can film there because it's also a monumental building. Don't know how to say that exactly. I have to ask permission, but I hope I can. Otherwise, maybe some pictures. If there's gonna be pictures, you'll see it. Anyways, I think I'm gonna text the kids, because I haven't done that yet, that we have arrived, and then we're gonna go for a walk, maybe, perhaps. Awesome, right? It is a bit dark, but it is awesome. Now my husband went to see how these lights work, because there are lights over here. It's dark because you can't see it. These are lights you can take off, which is awesome, but there's no switch or anything, so we have no idea how it works. Okay, so you have to hit it, they said. Oh, it works. Okay, and you can take them off. Look at this. It's a light. So now we're just hitting lights. So that whole thing, that window and that window, that's our room. That's huge. So that one, every hour. And this is our room. This is the door to our room. Oh. This is awesome. We're in Yamin in Breda. We're at Yamin or Jeanne in Breda. And look at this. Candy, 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 candy. Now you can't reach this. And more over there. But look at this. Oh yeah. But look at this, you can get them all. So I want the top one. Nah. Awesome, right? Candy! It smells so nice. Awesome. Hot chocolate glass. Water. Doesn't look tasty when you look at it like this. Now it looks tasty. Where's the whipped cream?
Hello, dear.
Hello, dear.
This is called the Grote Kerk, which means the big church, and well, it's really big. Looks like a cathedral, an old cathedral. And this part of the church is also very big.
So we just entered Breda and we went shopping for how long? A few hours. Didn't film anything except candy. And now we're going back to our hotel. But it was fun. I think this is a very, very, very old tree. Maybe, perhaps. time for dinner, and turns out almost all restaurants are closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, and it's Tuesday. What? And because we are in a very small town, Domino's or whatever, they don't deliver. So we had to go to the town over, and we got some pizza. So here it is. And a lot of people aren't gonna like this, but we love Pizza Hawaii. I just love pineapple on my pizza. So this is our dinner, pizza and some Coca-Cola. Nom nom.